what's going on? So, as y'all can see, I'm here with another MCM video. And this particular item right here, I did get this off of Poshmark at a really, really good deal. So, let me show you guys what I got. Okay, so here it is, and this is actually another wallet, and this how it came or whatever. She said she had used it only one time for an event or whatever. She used it, I think she said probably about 2 hours or something like that for an event or whatever, and it's been in the box ever since. And y'all, it looks like brand new. So here's everything that came inside of the box, and this is exactly how she shipped it to me. Had the card and everything, and then here's the little strap, and here's the dust bag. Look what I got, y'all. I got me a pink MCM wallet on a chain crossbody. Y'all, I was so excited to get this because I was looking at it on, I want to say Saks Fifth Avenue or whatever, and I think it's retails for I want to say $3.95. Let me look at the tag and see, because she put all that in here. Yes, it retails for $3.95, and this is the soft pink large. There it is. And it retails for $3.95. Anyway, so yeah, and y'all know I had just got those other two pink MCM totes or whatever. So I was like, I want me a wallet to go with my tote. I was like, it's probably not gonna match exactly, but as long as it's pink or whatever. So I went, y'all know, looking and stuff or whatever, and so I had saved a couple of items in on was it Poshmark and Mercari or whatever. Then plus I was looking on Fashion File and all that other stuff. So she had this one for like $2.30 or whatever, and I was like, that ain't no bad price or whatever. So I just liked it or whatever, and I was like, I'll just wait. Y'all, I woke up one morning and she had it sent me an alert that she had marked the price down some more. Y'all, tell me why she marked this down to $185, and baby, I bought it so fast, because I'm like, $185 for this, and it's regular $3.95, and they still selling on the website for $3.95. I will take that, thank you. So I ordered it or whatever, and it still has the little plastic thingy on here and everything. So it's just like my my other ones or whatever, nothing special, but y'all, it still smells brand new, look brand new. There's nothing, I mean nothing wrong with it. And it has, you know, the back pocket here, and it has your card slots here, opening here. Then you have your zipper here, and then you have some more card slots there and stuff. And my iPhone does fit in there, so it fits in there. So if I want to wear it as a crossbody somewhere, you know, I can do that or whatever. But y'all, $185, can't beat it. And it's like a brand new, it's like a brand new wallet, brand new. I mean, still smells brand new and everything. So here's the wallet. So I had got it to go, I was like, I hope this matches, even if it don't match it perfectly. I was like, that's fine. So y'all remember I bought the pink and this tote. Y'all, tell me why that goes perfect. Just tell me why. Just tell me why. It matches perfectly with this one or whatever. And I was like, yes. So I was really, really excited about that. So, and I'm sure it will fit. Yep. So here's this little pouch thingy, just in case I want to wear just the pouch and not the thing, the bag. So, you know, that fits in there, and along with, you know, you can put some more stuff in there. This darn pouch is big. But anyway, you can put, like, you know, some more stuff in there and just carry it you know, that as a little bag. But y'all, I was so glad that this matches like that. And I was like, yes. And then y'all know I have the other one where it's the light pink or whatever. And I'm like, this still will go with it because it's still pink. So I'm not tripping about that. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all real fast my little MCM find off of Poshmark. So y'all, if y'all ever looking for something, y'all just shop Poshmark and stuff. And don't be afraid to ask people, you know, if they'll go down, you know, on the price. Or don't be afraid to, you know, submit an offer or whatever, because you never know. Because a lot of times people just be wanting to get rid of stuff. So just thought I'd share that with you guys. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Bye.